it's your boy Kevin Dang. Today I will go over your molding kit office from Johnny Dang. So basically, whenever you order online from our website, then we will send you the molding kit. It look like this, in front and back. And in the molding kit, you get very detailed instruction how to make your right mold, your correct mold. So when you open it, they're gonna look like this. Actually you can make 3 set of mold. One top, one bottom, one extra one, just in case we mess it up or your guy mess it up one time. So basically, you get 3 blue and 3 white. Anthony, this will be my simple model today. This is the white and blue, one each, equal amount. You have to mix together fast, within 30 seconds. Put your both hand, mix it up until you see no more white. You take your tray out and you drop away into your tray. Make sure you get the customer bite right in the middle, not too much at the back, not too much at the front. So the teeth gotta be bite right in the middle. You see, drop away. I'm gonna put this on, put it sideways. Like here, you're gonna get in, right? So some kind of have to go in like this, go in, open more a little bit, open in like that, and bite down. Bite all the way down. The trick I have used my finger. I just press it in again, so I get a gum line drop away. Okay, and that's it. Relax. Don't try to be too tense. Just relax like that and take maybe 2-3 minutes. You feel it when it's harder, and take it out. Pull it out, pull that down, and that's it. That's the right mold. And I show you. You have to look in here. I show you it's a good mold or not. The good mold means you have to get every single teeth to see the gum line. Gum line means where it ends. You can see the side of the teeth. If you don't see the gum line ending, it means it does not get that good. And this one is very good mold, and you see where the gum line even out. Okay, whenever I send out the molding kits, I will send your guy, your instruction like that. So in this paper, it's telling you which one is a good mold and which one is not a good mold. So it's not a good mold, you have to retake again, because I always send you extra mold for you. And you just put on your plastic bag, I supply with it, and just send back to Johnny Dang & Co. Very simple. Thank you for watching, man. I'm done with this, and I'll be right back.